Hello, everyone, and welcome to the lounge. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm so happy that you're here today. And so I'm really excited for today's video. Today's video, we're talking armpits. We're talking care for our armpits, deodorant for our armpits. What do we go with? The commercial stuff, or do we make our own with ingredients right in our kitchen? So today we're going to look at what's in the commercial stuff, and then we're going to look at how we can make our own with just about things out of your kitchen. So if you're interested in seeing that, then let's go. I have been DIYing my deodorants for years now. I've been on and off with it, but you get lazy sometimes and say, "Oh, yeah, I need it. I'll just buy it." And the things are right there in the cupboard, and you can make it. But I'm taking on new adventures, and I'm making my own from now on. I'm making my own from now on, and you should too. And so my newest batch that I've made, I'm going to show you guys what I've done with that. But I really want us to talk today about the commercial deodorants versus, what you would make at your own kitchen and versus the side effects and things like that. So we're going to take a look at, I have a commercial brand right here. Can barely even read what it says back there. You can't even read it. It's like so tiny you can't even read it. But then again, that's how a lot of commercial products, you don't know what you're putting on your body. You just don't know. So we're going to look at what's in the ingredients for this deodorant versus what we're going to put in our natural deodorant. Let's do that. Okay, so here we are on the website because I couldn't read what it said. So we're going to try to read the ingredients from their site. Here we are. And please, I can't even pronounce these. I'm going to try, but I can't even pronounce them, okay? Aluminum, which we all know, aluminum, iron pieces, things like that. Zirconium, tetrach, God help me, tetrach loroxide. I don't know. And basically what the deodorant is used for, it just reduces underarm wetness. Again, your sweat. So this thing, what it does, it keeps your body from sweating. And as we know, sweating is really, really healthy because that's how you're releasing toxins out of your body. And so if this is keeping your body from releasing these toxins, it's clogging your pores, in other words, and you can't really release them out. So that's what deodorant is doing. Here it is. For external use only, do not use on broken skin. So if you have a cracked piece or you had a pimple or you shaved and you have razor bumps and things like that, you shouldn't put deodorant on that, broken skin. So what's it going to do to your broken skin? I don't know. Ask a doctor before use if you have kidney disease. What's that got to do with kidney disease? I mean, what is it going to do? Oh, maybe because of the aluminum. Aluminum? Aluminum? I don't know. Help me. Stop use if rash or irritation occurs. Again, if you just shave, don't do that because your skin is irritated and that's going to be an issue. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Poison control center right there. That should tell you, say, this is really not good for my body. Apply to underarms only. More ingredients that I cannot pronounce. Oh, don't know. Alcohol. Got that one. What is that? C12-15 alcohol. Maybe it's benzonate. I don't know. Body ether, hydrogenated castor oil. Oh, okay, I should be able to say this. Hydrogenated castor oil. Fragrance, there's a word. Perfume, okay. Dine, dime theacone, okay. Poly, I know this word. Polyethylene. I don't know. And serif. Oh God. Um. Yeah. So that's what's in the deodorant, and it is does not test on animals. Certified cruelty free. They don't put it on animals. You're the guinea pig. You're the test. Oh God. They don't test it on animals. But you're the test. You're the guinea pig. You're the one that they're gonna test to see what the side effects are. They're not gonna test it on animals. So now for the deodorant that we're gonna make, our DIY, here's what's in it. Coconut oil, cornstarch, baking soda, and your favorite scented oil. I'm going to be using Gardenia oil, which is one of my favorite oils. If you've never smelled Gardenia oil, you need to. So this is going to be, I call it Gardenia oil deodorant. And that's what's in it. That's all that's in it. And so you're going to see me make one right now. Wasn't that simpler than trying to pronounce all that stuff? How super easy was that? It literally took me 5 minutes to make this deodorant. 5 minutes. Here is one that I already have, and I'm just gonna, easy to take, and you just glide it on. See? And it smells, oh my God, the Gardenia oil. I love Gardenia oil. And that's it. And you put it on, no odor. It's wonderful. You put as much baking soda as you'd like. You know, you don't have to put a lot, just a small bit. And you guys know I don't measure, I just eyeball everything. So, yeah, if you needed somebody to measure stuff, that ain't gonna be me. I just don't measure stuff. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Like the video, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Wonderful.